Once upon a time, in the enchanting kingdom of Sunbeam, there lived a kind and adventurous princess named Emaan. One sunny afternoon, while exploring the castle garden, Emaan stumbled upon a hidden pathway covered in ivy. Curiosity piqued, she followed the path until she reached a beautiful, shimmering portal hidden behind a rose bush. Taking a deep breath, Emaan stepped through the portal and found herself in a magical land where the skies were always blue and the fields were dotted with colourful flowers. In this land, unicorns roamed freely, their silver horns glistening in the sunlight. Emaan's eyes widened in amazement as she gazed upon these majestic creatures. As she wandered through the meadow, a friendly unicorn named Luna approached her. Luna had a soft white coat and sparkling blue eyes. "Hello, Princess Emaan," Luna said in a gentle voice. "Welcome to the land of the unicorns." Emaan smiled warmly. "Hello, Luna. Your world is beautiful. What brings you to me?" Luna sighed. "We need your help, Princess. Our youngest unicorn, Star, has gone missing. She wandered into the enchanted forest and hasn't returned. We're all very worried." Emaan's heart filled with determination. "Don't worry, Luna. I'll help you find Star." Together, Emaan and Luna set off towards the enchanted forest. As they entered the forest, the trees seemed to whisper secrets, and the air was filled with the scent of wildflowers. They followed a winding path, keeping their eyes and ears open for any signs of Star. Along the way, they encountered various magical creatures. A wise old owl named Oliver offered them guidance, pointing them in the right direction. A mischievous squirrel named Squeaky provided them with acorns to keep up their energy. A gentle deer named Daisy showed them a hidden path that led deeper into the forest. Finally, after hours of searching, they heard a faint, melodic sound. They followed the sound until they reached a clearing where a beautiful, glittering unicorn stood, singing softly. It was Star. Emaan and Luna rushed to Star's side. "Star, we've been looking everywhere for you," Luna exclaimed. Star looked up with wide eyes. "I'm sorry, Luna. I got lost and couldn't find my way back. But then I met this magical fairy named Flora, who helped me stay safe." Just then, a tiny fairy with shimmering wings appeared. "Hello, Princess Emaan. I'm Flora. I found Star wandering alone and kept her company until help arrived." Emaan thanked Flora. "Thank you, Flora. We're so grateful for your kindness." With Star safe and sound, they made their way back to the meadow. The other unicorns cheered as they returned, and Emaan felt a warm glow of happiness in her heart. Luna nuzzled Emaan gratefully. "Thank you, Princess Emaan. You've saved Star and brought joy back to our land." Emaan smiled. "I'm glad I could help. Remember, whenever you need me, I'll be here for you." As the sun began to set, Emaan bid farewell to her new friends and stepped back through the portal, returning to the castle garden. She felt a sense of pride and fulfillment, knowing she had made a difference, and so Princess Emaan's bravery and kindness became known throughout the Kingdom of Sunbeam, and she continued to embark on many more magical adventures, always ready to help those in need.